Te Discipuli. This is an explanation video for our sentence, let them not be silent about the occasion. So, again, we're looking for our subjunctive verb here. We're going to find that here with be silent. We know that because we have this let here at the beginning of our sentence, which tells us that this is a jussive subjunctive. Now, for parsing this, we're going to need to look for our subject, and we find our subject here with them, which looks a little weird because them is actually the object form of they in English, but remember that we do let, subject, verb. So that is going to be our subject in Latin. So when we're parsing them will give us third person plural, present tense, because that's the only subjunctive tense we have right now. This one's going to be active, even though it might look a little passive with that be silent there. Remember that takeo means to be silent or to leave unmentioned. So that is actually active and subjunctive. So third person plural, present, active, subjunctive of takeo, takere. We also need to note this not here, which will give us a ne at the beginning of our sentence to make this a negative jussive subjunctive. All that we have left is the about the occasion here, which is a prepositional phrase, so I'm going to bracket that off. That's the preposition de, and de takes the ablative, so I'm going to note that above occasion. Now that we have parsed our whole sentence, it is time to translate. Since this is a negative jussive subjunctive, we're going to want to put ne out here right at the beginning to introduce our jussive subjunctive. Then we'll add on our subjunctive verb there. You can either put them, well, we won't really need to put a separate subject for them, so we're just going to go with be silent here. So that's takeo, takere. I'm going to put our stem here first, and I'm going to add our middle vowels for the subjunctive, which is ea, and then them gives us third person plural. So ne takeant is what we have there. Let them not be silent. Now we just have to finish this out with about the occasion. Again, de is about plus the ablative. Occasion comes from this chapter as well. That's occasio, occasiones. So ablative singular, de occasione. That is our complete sentence, ne taceant, de occasione.